Welcome back, everybody. This is another walkthrough for the Hack the Box Cyber Apocalypse 2022. This one is BlinkerFluids. In the web category, it is marked as an easy. I've gone ahead and downloaded all the materials, also launched it. Go over here, we'll see. Spoiler alert, there's the the payload. But anyways, so what we get is this challenge. There's also this build Docker if you want to execute it locally. But I will just be looking at kind of what's in here. So if we look at the code, we'll see that it's using nunchucks. It's got the routes, all that kind of stuff. We can kind of inspect, see what's going on. So there doesn't seem to be any really hidden routes that we could take. And it's including this MD helper, so we can go and look there. And so we'll see this. It's using MD to PDF. And it is doing the MD to PDF content, or function. Sorry, I'm a little tired at this point. But anyways, so it uses the MD to PDF function, and it goes through and it creates a PDF for us. So we can kind of take a look at what the website looks like. So you get this BlinkerFluids, you get this invoice, you can export it to view it, you can also delete it. You can also create this new invoice, which is interesting. If you click in here, it pre-fills in some markdown stuff. And so I went ahead and I looked. It seemed interesting that they were using this specific PDF creator. So I went ahead and I looked at the package JSON to see what it is, and we see it's 4.1.0. And then I went ahead and I looked around, and there is a bug out there. First link you click on actually goes to this sneak SNYK, but it doesn't show up properly in the formatting on the web page for the payload. We actually had to come look at this one to see what it was doing. Basically, the escape wasn't showing up on there, so if you try to copy it from there, it wouldn't work. But all this is really doing is basically this payload. So I went ahead and I modified it a little bit because all we really care about is getting file read. So I went ahead and I used the file sync option, and I'm just specifying /flag.txt, which if we look at the Docker file, we'll see that is where it's copying it to. So we at least know exactly what we're looking for. Sorry, payload. And then we're using UTF encoding just to make sure that what we get back is not a bunch of gibberish. So it's easier for us to deal with. Either that, or you could do one of my buddies did .toString instead of that as well. So you do it in a couple of ways. But we're going to go ahead and just copy this. And we're going to go here, and we're just going to replace all. Let's drop this in, and we'll save it. Takes a little bit, not too long, and we see we have our new one. I think it's top down. Yeah, top down. So if we click on this, we get our flag. So nice and simple, super straightforward. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys later.